I'm Adrienne from Mum's House Party. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are sorting out William's chest of drawers. They are full of clothes that don't fit him anymore, full of pants and socks that are mismatched. So we're going to sort that out and hopefully have some tidy drawers. Here we go, we're all organised. Pants and socks, pants this side, a million pairs of socks this side. If he says he can't find any socks anymore, I won't believe him. This is his pyjama drawer, so I threw a few pairs away, pairs that really aren't good enough even for charity. And I've got a charity pile as well, so these are all in bundles of pyjamas. And then he's got his school uniform in this drawer, which is already neat and tidy. This drawer, I threw a couple of jumpers that were really dirty. Shorts for the summer, loads of shorts. I threw a few pairs of little pairs away that he can't fit into, so he's got jumpers in there. This is his trouser drawer. So jogging bottoms, jeans, and a couple of spare school trousers that he won't fit into just yet. And then this is his t-shirt drawer. This is the neatest drawer of the lot. I should do this with his pyjamas really, so you can see the pairs. But these are all t-shirts that fit him currently, long sleeve and short sleeve, and lots to go to charity. So that's it done, super quick, 10 minutes tops. But it's one of those jobs you just never get round to doing, and even when you've got nothing to do, you think, oh, what could I do? You forget to do it. So we did it super quick today. I've got a pile for charity, a pile for the bin, and a pile for my friend. And William's drawers are nice and clean. Thanks for tuning in, I'll see you on the next video.